Welcome back, friends. Today I'm here with a solution of a very common problem that might have faced by most of the users after formatting of their pen drives, and after that process you might have noticed that the file explorer is unable to show the external any of your external device file after connecting it in your PC or laptop. Just let me show you what type of problem it's actually showing. So just let me connect a pen drive in my PC. Now open File Explorer. You can see it here. There are three partitions, and these are my internal storage but there is no external storage device. But actually I have connected it, but it's not showing there. So to resolve this issue, open the right click on the this PC icon, then click on manage option. Now navigate to the disk management. It will show you all the memory partitions of your hard disk drive, and the external devices that are connected to your PC. Here you can see it here. A 3.7 GB means a 4 GB pen drive is connected, but which was not shown in the File Explorer. To resolve this issue, we just have to change the name of the drive. So click on OK. You can see it here. Now it's clearly visible or recognized by your PC. Here you can see it's showing an external hard device labeled as D. You can open it. Although it has some data, but it was not recognized, so it was not showing in there. Using this video, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching.